Hey everyone, so I've been wanting to film this video for a long time now and I'm finally doing it for you. So I'm trying on my entire choker collection and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite after you're done watching this video. I have about 24 chokers. The one I'm wearing currently is from eBay. It's honestly such a great choker. It goes with so many different outfits and you can look more glam without breaking the bank. I also have thicker chokers, some thinner chokers, some are more glam. Some are just simply a piece of fabric. I have some DIY chokers. Some are perfect for maybe the fall, winter, spring, summer. I just have quite an array of chokers and I want to share them with you. How I store my chokers, I honestly just depotted this candle from Bath & Body Works and I like that it's clear because then I can see all of my chokers. I don't really know how to store them. Let me know down below how you store your chokers because I'd love to know. I'm always on the hunt to find a better way to store them, so keep me in the loop on that. And down below, I'll also try my best to link and list all of the chokers, where they're from, because I'm sure you guys are going to have some questions. I don't blame you, because I would want to know too. I'm going to stop talking right now, so let's begin, and you can see my choker collection. Alright, I just want to say a big thank you for everyone who stayed to the end of this video. I hope it was fun to watch and I have more content coming your way very soon. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you very soon. Bye everyone.